Hey you guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be installing some carbon fiber trim in my Porsche 911 991. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, welcome back. So a wise man once told me, okay, at least a dozen wise men have told me through my channel that a carbon fiber habit is expensive and may bankrupt you. God hope it doesn't do the latter, but it is getting expensive. In this video, I'm going to be installing carbon fiber trim across the front of my dash. I've been going backwards and forwards on whether or not to do this for a while now, but I saw a great deal on Suncoast Parts the other day. This kit usually goes for anywhere between sort of $1,400 and $1,500 full price when it's not on sale. I've seen them as low as like $1,100, $1,200 on sale every now and again. This was going for $450 because it had been returned by a customer and it has one little tab that's broken, but apparently that doesn't affect the installation and won't make it rattle. It's in great condition. It looks brand new, but it's only 450 bucks. I know that's a lot of money, but it's not 1,500. So I saw it. I have never seen these pieces this low before, so I pulled the trigger. Okay, money out of the way, parts out of the way, we're gonna do the job. Now, before we do that, I know a lot of you have been continuing to email me asking me to send you a free decal or sticker for the window. And I'm out. Like, the first 50 that I bought as a prototype, they've already gone. They were all gonna be freebies to people watching my channel, and I've mailed them. They're all on their way. They've gone. But I've had so many more emails from people watching my channel saying they enjoy my videos that I've ordered another 50, which I'm gonna give away for free. Even though they're for sale at the moment on my website, I'll take them down for now. But I figured if you're watching my videos and you can, be bothered to write me an email to say thank you and that you're enjoying the content, the least I can do is send you a decal in the post. So they're on their way. And they should be arriving any day now here. So I don't know, give me a week and they'll be on their way. But I'm just so blown away that so many of you are interested in these decals. I mean, it's fantastic. I've got one in the front of my car. I haven't actually given any of them to my friends locally here, so they'll have to wait for the next box. But Finland, Germany, Helsinki, Australia, Panama, Mexico, Canada, England, Ireland, Scotland, Belgium, where else? South Africa. There are some other places I'm forgetting. And then of course, across the United States, I am so blown away that I've got such a diverse group of followers from all over the world. I'm really, really blown away. So yeah, the least I can do is to send you a decal. You missed the first 50, don't worry, but more are coming soon and I'll send them out. Just absolutely fantastic. Now, let's get on to the job. Oh, and a couple of other things before I forget. One, my friend Chris's 992 has arrived. The carmine red, not Targa, he has a Targa at the moment. The carmine red 992 C4S with the body kit, the AEROKIT, black wheels. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna hopefully make a video with Chris in the next week or so. And then people have asked behind me, if you can see, the Porsche lettering that I have on my garage wall. I did not make them myself. They're from a company I found online called Custom GarageDecor.com. In fact, it was my friend Chris that found them and pointed them to me. He has them on his wall as well. You can get the Porsche logo like I have. You can get the Porsche crest. You can get the model designations, you know, like Carrera, Turbo, etc., etc. They've got them for Lamborghinis, BMWs, Audis, the whole thing. Really, really nice. It looks like it's aluminum on a hard-backed sort of plastic. And I've mounted them to the wall using magnets and 3M stickies. You can also drill screws in and put the magnets on and, you know, whatever. But I brought them off the wall just like about an inch to get a bit of contrast and a little bit of a shadow. But yeah, people have been asking about those. CustomGarageDecor.com. So yeah, excited about Chris's 992 as he is. We all got to, on the Porsches and Pancake chat server the other night, we got to see it coming off the truck and a couple of photos. It looks so good. It looks so good. So I'm really excited about that. Maybe we'll get to see it actually tomorrow. We're going for a group drive. Anyway, let's get on with the job. Okay, so I'm going to start over here and I'm going to be using my trusty trim removal tool. This one in particular is really useful because there are a couple of tight corners here where I don't have too much leverage, and this is going to really help me to just pull and get them off. There are a couple of clips that hold each one in place. I haven't done this before, but looking on the back of the OEM piece that's going in, you can see where it's held, one on the left, one on the right, and it looks like there's some wiring that's connected as well. So that one might be a little fiddly. And then round here, this should be pretty straightforward to pop off. This piece popped out. You can see 1, 2 trim clips there that hold it into place. Now I've got to just take out the wiring harness, and it looks like a fiddly one. My big fingers aren't always, you know, best suited for these jobs, but you know, just unplug that, plug the other one back in, and job's a winner. There we have it. The first piece of carbon fiber trim is in. Perfect fit. Nice and snug. The wiring harness was a little tricky, but you just had to apply some pressure on either side and it came out. They're always a bit tricky, those, but that was super easy to do. Let's move on to the next piece, which is around here. So just as I sort of suspected, this one was really easy to pop out. There are 2 trim clips, one here, one here. I just managed to get my trim piece, you know, my trim tool around the side, popped it forward here, and then sort of moved along, popped it forward here, and it came out super, super easy. No damage either. Well, you guys, that's it for another video. That was loads of fun, that job. Apart from the last step, getting out that cup holder, it really felt like it shouldn't need that much force, but it came out, went back in. I haven't broken any of the parts, so I can either keep hold of the aluminum trim that I've taken out, and if I ever want to put it back in, I can, or I guess I can sell it online maybe. But I love how the carbon fiber looks now. And anybody needs help with this job, if you fancy doing it yourself, hit me up. Hopefully this video is useful. So that's 2 videos this weekend. I'm pretty happy with that. Tomorrow is Sunday, and a bunch of the Porsche and Pancakes crew are getting together to go for a drive, sort of where I went on Friday. I kind of checked it out for us ahead of time. So we're expecting about a dozen people. That should be kind of fun. I'm really excited to make the video with my friend Chris with his red 992. It is beautiful. And what's pretty awesome, if it's, putting aside that it's absolutely tremendous and it's a gorgeous spec, what makes it even more exciting for me is that it is only one of 2 cars right now in North America, the 992 with the full AEROKIT. It's just one of 2 cars that are in the country right now with the AEROKIT. How exciting is that? I can't wait to see that thing. So that's it for another video. Check it online. Auto Amateur's Facebook page has just gone live. Those of you who have got decals, it would be so awesome if you could take a photo of your car with the decal in the window and post it to the Facebook page. That would be really cool. Instagram and Facebook kind of sync up, but what I like about Facebook is that it's very easy to share photos and media from behind the scenes like here, which isn't necessarily sort of best for Instagram, but you can put it on there and there's a lot of back and forth, and anyway, it's just another platform. But yeah, people who get decals, post them on Instagram, tag me or tag yourselves, whatever. It would be really great to see those decals in your windows. So take care, guys. I'll see you in the next video soon, and have a great rest of your weekend. Bye.